Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable Incognito Mode in Google App. So to start, open Google App. Now from here, you'll see Incognito. Just click on that. And that's it. You've gone Incognito Mode. So if you turn on Incognito Mode, so Chrome won't save your browsing history, your cookies and site data, and information entered in forms.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
So your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. And also others who use this device won't see your activity, so you can browse more privately. So this won't change how data is collected by websites you visit and the services they use, including Google. And also downloads, bookmarks, and reading list items will be saved. Now, if you want to go back to the normal mode, just click the three dots and click on New tab. And that's it. So again, you can also click the three dots at the bottom right, then click New Incognito tab, and that's how you can turn on Incognito mode in Google app. So very simple, just click on Incognito right here, or you can also click the three dots and click New Incognito tab. And to exit this, just click the three dots and click New tab. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.